All right, we've got your sneak peek video for the fire sale that is going to be August 25th, right? That's right. August 26th. August 26th. Today's August 25th. All right, let's go. Number 1, we have a 2XL Mickey or Minnie Mouse pajama set. Comes with the pants and the top, $20, 2 available, and they both 2XL. Number 2 is a Style & Company size 18 pair of capris, $20, really cute tan color. Number 3 is this cool, neat puffer jacket. It is black, size extra large, women's cut, $50. Number 4 is our popcorn bundle, and it has all of these flavors. So we're going to show you s'mores, cinnamon crunch, lemon cheesecake, and if that's too sweet, here's a pop of spicy Southwest habanero. $20 for number 4. We have 3 available. Number 5 is a knife bundle, $20. You're going to get the Roman dagger. Also comes with a stand that it sits on. It's like a letter opener with the cool Damascus style blade, the wolf folding knife, and a wooden multifunction tool similar to a Swiss Army knife. So number 5 is $20. Number 6 is the silverware set for $7.50. It's a serving of 4-piece serving set, but it comes with 20 pieces total. Then we have number 7. Number 7 is our Candy Club bundle. You're going to get sour pink Cadillacs, pineapple rings, $20 for all these, sour apple laces, and last but not least, you're also going to get bubblegum bottles. So you get all of those for $20. Steep discount on those. Candy Club, 3 of those available. Number 8 is a 45-piece art set for $5. Number 9 is a Bell & Howell flash lantern, red in color, $5, 5 of them available. Number 10 is a Minnie Mouse secret diary set. Comes the cool nifty stuff you see there, $5, 5 of them available. Number 11 is a black flag camouflage hat with an embroidered flag in there. Really neat, solid color, trucker style. $7.50, 3 of those available. And then we have the purple version, so it's black on the back, purple in the front. Also has the embroidered flag, $7.50, 3 of those available. Number 13 is the red copper straws. Normally they're $10 on the store. We're selling them on the fire sale for $7.50, 5 of them available. Most items on today's fire sale will be lower prices. Number 14, we have the Pet Memorial Dog figurine. It's a little pet dog with angel wings, $7.50. Number 15 is the Baby Yoda backpack. It's a plush pillow plus a backpack. It has a zipper in the back. You can hide stuff in there, and it has straps to wear on your backs. So $12.50, number 15. Now we're going to wander on over to the other side of the warehouse. We have number 16, our falling rain lights. Really, really cool decor piece, $7.50. They look amazing. Number 17 are the Rubbermaid pitchers. We have 5 of those, as well as 5 of the falling rain lights I didn't mention. $5 for the Rubbermaid pitchers. Number 18 is the baseball chip and dip plate, $10. Really, really cool. And it does stay attached, so $10. 3 of those available. Number 19, the daily activity organizer for $10. Great for organization. 3 of those available. Number 20, the black diaper bag backpack. It's also got insulation on the inside, so even if you don't want to use it for a diaper bag, it's great for a backpack to use as a cooler. So $10, and it's completely lined on the inside just like a cooler. 3 of those available. Number 21 is a cool Adidas duffel bag, $15. Only 1 of those. Number 22 is the La Mila Pearl perfume set. 2-piece set, $20. 3 of them available. Number 23 is the Minecraft stationery set, $7.50. 3 of those available. Number 24 is a Utopia towel set, $7.50. 2 really large black plush towels. And you have 5 of those available at the $7.50 range. Number 25, the pendulum clock U-Gears. You build it yourself and it actually works. $20, 3 of those available. Number 26 is the bamboo flatware caddy. Perfect for sitting on the counter and looking cute. $10, 3 of those available. Number 27, the Orb Factory plush pillow. It has a letter A on there, but you actually have directions to make any letter you like. So $10, 3 of those available. Then we're going to wander on over here to number 28 is the Hummingbird Fountain, $25, 3 of those available. Number 29 is the Ultrasonic Pest Repellent, $7.50. We have 2 of those available. Each box has plug them in and it basically keeps ants, mice, bees, anything you think of, spiders, away from you. $7.50. Number 30 is the Magna Screen at $10 4 of them available, great for keeping the bugs out of your house. So we also have a few more extras right there, mystery items that you will not find out about until the actual fire sale. So make sure you come and see what's at the end of the fire sale. But we'll see you guys tomorrow right here, Central Standard Time, noon, right on this channel. And hopefully you find something you like. Thanks, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.